Festivals of India in America celebrate Diwali, Holi, and more. Welcome to Season 2. Thank you for visiting our channel. Today let's talk about joyous Indian celebrations, experience Diwali, and Holi in America. Let's begin. In the United States, various Indian festivals are observed by Indian Asian immigrants, reflecting their rich cultural heritage and traditions. One of the most celebrated festivals is Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. This festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Diwali typically falls in late October or early November, depending on the lunar calendar. The date varies each year, as it is celebrated on the 15th day of the month of Kartika. In the United States, Indian communities celebrate it on the same day as it is observed in India, though local celebrations can take place on weekends surrounding the festival. To find the specific date for Diwali in a given year, you can check a lunar calendar or refer to community announcements. During Diwali, families decorate their homes with colorful rangoli designs, light oil lamps called diyas, and set up vibrant decorations. They engage in rituals and prayers, share traditional sweets, and exchange gifts with loved ones. Many Indian communities in the US host large gatherings and cultural events, including dance performances, music, and food fairs, creating a festive atmosphere where they can celebrate their culture with others. Another significant festival is Holi, known as the Festival of Colors, which celebrates the arrival of spring. Participants throw colored powders, dance, and enjoy festive foods, creating a joyful and inclusive atmosphere. These festivals not only strengthen the bonds within the Indian community, but also invite others to experience and appreciate diverse cultural practices, promoting understanding and unity among different cultural groups in America. Additionally, festivals like Navratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Makar Sankranti are also celebrated with enthusiasm, showcasing the rich traditions and customs that Indian immigrants bring to the American cultural landscape. These celebrations are a vibrant testament to the blending of cultures and the importance of maintaining one's heritage while living in a multicultural society. The celebration of Indian festivals in America serves as a beautiful reminder of the rich cultural tapestry that enhances the American landscape. Events like Diwali, Holi, and others not only bring communities together but also allow for a sharing of traditions that foster understanding and appreciation among diverse groups. As we celebrate these joyous occasions, we honor our heritage while inviting everyone to join in the festivities, creating a more inclusive and vibrant society. Let us continue to embrace and celebrate our differences, weaving our cultural stories into the fabric of this great nation. Thank you for joining us on this journey of celebration. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about festivals of India in America, celebrate Diwali, Holi, and more. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.